Welcome to our channel. Today we how to apply for a HELOC with US Bank, home equity process step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your financial documents. You will need proof of income, such as pay stubs or tax returns. Collect documents that verify your assets, like bank statements. Make sure you have information about your current mortgage, including balance and lender details. Next, check your credit score. A good score can help you secure better terms for your home equity line of credit, or HELOC. Visit the US Bank website or a local branch to start the application process. You will find an option for applying for a HELOC online. Fill out the application form with your personal information. Provide details about your property, including value and any existing liens. Be ready to disclose your financial situation, including debt and monthly expenses. After submitting the application, US Bank will review your information. This may include a credit check and an assessment of your property value. Once your application is approved, you will receive a loan estimate. Review this estimate carefully, noting the interest rate and any fees involved. If you agree to the terms, you will then schedule a closing date. At closing, you will sign the necessary paperwork and finalize the loan. Following this, you will have access to your HELOC funds. Remember to use your HELOC responsibly to manage your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.